and this is Emily, and we're part of YAChT, which is Youth Advisory Crew Headspace Townsville. In 2013, we've done a lot this year. So we started off the year without even having a youth reference group. So basically there was just a few people in part of the community that were youth that wanted to make a difference to Headspace. So we approached Headspace Townsville and worked with them to create this group. After the group was created, we went to Grooving in the Mood, where we spread the message about Headspace Townsville. Then we had an orientation day where we did team building activities and workshopped ideas about the group and how it could work. At the moment, our group consists of 10 members, but we're looking to increase the diversity so that we can better represent Townsville's youth and cater better to their needs. After that, we redecorated reception, which was really boring, but now we've got awesome design in there, and it's just to make it a little bit more fun and a little bit more entertaining for everyone that comes.
Should do it.
I'm very fond of tea.
That should do it.
When I get home, I shall write a book about this place.
To Skype Headstrong in Ireland, which is based on Headspace's early intervention model. And some of us even got to attend the World Hearing Voices Congress down in Melbourne, which was just an absolutely amazing opportunity. Now I'll pass you to Emily, who can tell you about some of the other stuff we did.
Hi. Also, with our involvement with students, we also visited some local high schools and spread the word about YAChT and also about Headspace.
Just recently, Headspace Townsville turned 5. Yay! We had Aboriginal dancers, a local band, and the support from the Townsville Council.
Where we revamped the skate park and made it look pretty cool.
When I get home, I shall write a book about this place. If I came this way...
For those of you who don't know, we're actually relocating to a new awesome building. As a part of YAChT, we were able to sit down and talk about how we're going to decorate the chill out space and what we think will be awesome for the youth of Townsville. We've also get to be involved with talking to the media about it.
We also participated in a trivia night in conjunction with Headspace Helpers, where we helped fundraise for the Youth Hub. To celebrate all the stuff that we got to do this year, we ended the year with a dinner. For any more information on the stuff that we've done or how you can get involved in Headspace Townsville, please see our Headspace Townsville Facebook page or look us up on the net.
We're looking forward to seeing you guys in 2014.
Bye.
I'm very fond of tea.
That should do it.
Action.
Hi, I'm Emily,
And I'm Kelly,
and we're from YAChT.
which stands for Youth Advisory Crew Headspace Townsville.
And we're here today to talk about all the things we've done in 2013.
So, yeah, to start off, do we keep going?
It's raining.
1, 2, 3, go.
For those who don't know, we've just
Ready, set, go.
For those of you, as a part of Youth Reference Group, we get to be involved and our voice get to
3, 2, 1, go.
Hi, my name's Emily,
And I'm Kelly,
and we're a part of Townsville's YAChT group.
Youth Advisory Crew Headspace Townsville.
As a part of
3, 2, 1, go.
while we enjoyed ourselves. In the run-up to the Youth Reference Group, we had the opportunity to go to a group in around Townsville where we spread the word about headspace. In the lead up to the Youth Reference
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1.
In the run
Hi, I'm Emily. And I'm Kelly,
and we're from YAChT.
which stands for Youth Advisory Crew Headspace
3,
Townsville.
2, 1.
Hi, I'm Emily.
And I'm Kelly.
Sorry.